good evening guys. Mercy here, your language and culture facilitator. So today I'm gonna teach you how we say the year 2025 in Visayan. Actually, there are two number systems that we use in Visayan language. First is the use of the Visayan terms itself, and the second is by using Spanish numbers. So in Spanish, we say 2025 like this. 2025. Okay? And in Visayan, we say duha ka libo kauhaan ug lima. I hope you got that. Okay, I'll repeat it. In Spanish, we say 2025. And in Visayan, we say duha ka libo kauhaan ug lima. I hope you got that. You can practice that and mimic the way I say it. Okay, thank you. That's our Cebuano short lesson today or tonight. Thank you guys. Stick around for more.